might hear that the Arizona Court of Appeals heard arguments today that a Valley School District should not be let off the hook when it comes to bullying, accountability, and the suicide death of one of its students. There's no disputing the tragedy of Andrew Harstad, the smart, handsome Valley teenager who took his own life 3 years ago. But there is still debate over whether Andrew's death could have been prevented.
Well, it's important because he's still my son. You know, we don't stop being his parents. I don't stop being his mom just because he's not here with us physically. And if we could help prevent another family, another mom or dad from going through this experience, that's important.
Last year, Andrew's parents, Jordan and Kassidy, filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the Chandler Unified School District, claiming administrators at Hamilton High School didn't do enough to protect Andrew, who had been the target of bullies. A Superior Court judge tossed the lawsuit out, ruling that Arizona law does not allow a wrongful death claim in the case of suicide. The Harstads appealed the decision, and on Tuesday, the case was brought before the Arizona Court of Appeals.
This is not just life goes on as normal. This needs to be talked about. The schools need to be more accountable. They need to be there for our children. When they hear of bullying, they need to take protective actions.
The parent's attorney argued that school officials were told on numerous occasions that the teenager was being bullied, but little was done to protect him or punish the students responsible. The attorney for Chandler Unified told the court there's no evidence the school could have done anything to prevent Andrew's suicide, and Arizona law is clear that schools are not responsible for what happens to a student off campus. The Harstads say regardless of what happens in their case, it's time for Arizona laws to change. The couple is currently working with state lawmakers to pass Andrew's Law, which would force school districts across the state to adopt stricter rules and guidelines when it comes to bullying.
The law is well over 50 years old. I mean, things change. Over the past 50 years, the social media, internet technology, students can be in contact 24/7, 365. This isn't just an in-person social conversation. These things are when they wake up, when they're asleep, when they're on school, when they're on vacation with their families.
The judges here will likely make a ruling on this case in the next week or so. Andrew's parents tell me if they're not successful, they're ready to appeal to the state Supreme Court. In Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.